Hi everybody! I've been shopping away on this bike for a while now, and I think it's time that we address the elephant in the room. And by elephant, I mean this. The enormous muffler. We just can't keep this on the bike. And in the spirit of this channel, we won't just go out and buy a new muffler and slap it on. No, because I actually think this header pipe is a bit too thick as well. So the whole system has got to go. And once again, in the spirit of this channel, we won't just go out and buy it. We will have to make it. I will make it out of this 45mm exhaust pipe that I got from an auto shop. I got a few different bends, so I think we will be able to puzzle something together. The hardest part when making an exhaust system, well, at least I think it is the hardest part. I don't know, I haven't done it yet. The hardest part when making an exhaust system seems to be to get this flange that goes into the motor. Most people just shop the stock pipe and just weld on their own pieces. But I don't want to do that because I want to keep the stock pipes. So the first thing I will do is to make this flange myself. I think it would be kind of easy if I had a lathe or a milling machine, but I don't, so I guess it would be kind of hard. We'll see. custom pipe is done. I really like the raw look of the black wrap. In the beginning of this video I thought that the flange would be the hardest part. Well, it was a lot of work, but I wouldn't say that it was the hardest part. The hardest part was when I was done welding, went at it with the grinder, and then decided to go back and do some more welding. The metal has gotten so thin from all the grinding, so I was just blowing through like crazy. But I managed to fill the holes, and the wrapping covers it up quite nicely. And about the wrapping, if you decide to wrap your own pipes, please wear gloves. The glass fibers will get stuck to your hands, and the dye on these wraps, it's super hard to wash off. I know that you want a sound test, and I will do that as soon as the rest of the bike is finished. I could also do a comparison to the stock muffler. Please let me know if you will want to watch that. And if you want to make sure to catch that upcoming sound test, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are having pipe dreams just like me, maybe leave a like as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!